I'm 44 and getting married. I met the love of my life when I was 43. My parents want me to have a small wedding because it's my second marriage, but I want to have a big celebration because I finally found my person. How can I convince them?
Yeah, I think it depends on your relationship with your parents.
For
But at the
sure.
end of the day, it's super important that you are satisfied. And your parents should understand that.
A lot of our parents come from a generation that is not very open minded. Firstly, for a lot of families, being divorced is a very big thing.
Taboo.
And I mean, I'm not saying that only divorce is the reason of your second marriage, but it is one of the reasons. And for them, it's very embarrassing कि दूसरी शादी हो रही है किसी की.
Though it shouldn't be like that.
Yeah.
but,
Another
you know.
thing is that I feel by the age of 42, 43, you should already be so well settled where you don't have to depend on people. It's mostly those people who are still dependent on their families. So they need permission from their parents. क्योंकि I think parents also यही कहते हैं कि देखो तुम्हें जो करना है करो but अपनी जेब से करो. If you want our support financially,
हमारी सुने.
then please you have to listen to us also. Thirdly, sorry, you have to see the other person you are marrying. Is it their first wedding or second wedding or what? Because if it's their first wedding also, they also have some dreams, right?
100%.
So then you have to convince your parents in a way कि listen, उसकी पहली शादी है. My husband to be wants this wedding to be a certain way.
Parents are not to be
Yeah.
pushed,
And it's
not
not
to be.
pressure.
Umair has such a valid point. I think
Yeah.
parents की शक्लें मैं देखती हूँ honestly जब वो
बुरा हाल
बेटियों के
होता
साथ
है।
आते हैं कि वो यूँ होते अम्मा ने बैग हाथ में लिया होता है बेटी सही है तो I think that's the time you can financial independence. It
बहुत
comes
matter करती है।
here especially financial independence of a girl of a guy.
And that's where I feel the guy and the girl they have to come together and have a conversation just to defend the girl a bit, because I've seen stories like these where the bride to be knows how her in-laws are and how they will judge the wedding and the decor and the food and the outfit and the jewelry.
Let them.
So they have to. She knows that she has
That's
to
a pattern
please
for
them.
life.
बाउंड्री अगर शादी से पहले चीजों की सेट हो जाती है ना,
Exactly. इस बार आपने ये कर दिया ये हो सकता है मेरे घर वाले
ये नहीं कर
ये
सकते,
नहीं करेंगे
आपको नहीं मिलने वाली है गाड़ी.
वो पैटर्न सेट हो जाता है ना कि बेटा हम चाहते हैं आपका वेन्यू ये हो नहीं ये वेन्यू नहीं हो सकता
सकता,
because we
आपका
can't
नहीं
afford
होगा.
it we will invite you at this particular wedding because I can afford this. So this pattern goes on for life. The minute you start pleasing
Giving
anyone,
in,
be it your husband, be it your boss, whoever, it goes on for life.